Koe nā ngā taniwha. Mōhio ki te whakalongo i ngā tātou kōrero, ki te mahi he, ki runga I te wāhi e tikana kia rātou. Kāla mai rātou.
The taniwha in the river know and understand what we say. They act whenever they think it necessary.
Te kutunga ne. Viro I te taniwha.
My own brother was taken by a taniwha because one of the things about them is that they seek retribution if you do something wrong.
Some of these taniwhas, when people die, they make themselves appear in many ways. Some of them come back as birds, some of them come back as animals, some of them are good, and some of them are bad.
Have you seen any of these things?
Yes.
When did you see taniwhas in the river?
Well, we often see them nearly every day when we were living down in our original homeland, Mercer, Mangataku it is. We see one there, it's always there in one part of the river. And there are certain times that we see it moving upstream. They go from place to place.
What did it look like?
It's just an ordinary branch off a tree. And you can see it going upright, of course, up the river. And you know then it's one of those taniwhas. But the last time I see a big congregation of taniwha when Mauta died, King Mauta died, all forms of taniwha came up the river against the current. Some of them were shark. One was a shark, and the other one was a stingray. One was the snapper without a tail. And then some of them in logs, different types of logs and different wood. And just under the bridge there's a big eel there, about 50 feet or more in length. And it's been there all the time. That is why we regard the Waikato River as something very important.